The Lord is near to those who have a broken heart and saves such as have a contrite spirit. Psalms 34:18. In Psalm 34:18, we are given a reassuring message about the nature of God's presence in our lives. It tells us that the Lord is near to those who have a broken heart. Have you ever experienced a time when your heart felt shattered, burdened by pain, grief, or disappointment? In those moments, it can be easy to feel lonely and abandoned, like no one understands or cares about our struggles. However, this verse reminds us that in the midst of our brokenness, God is right there with us. He draws near to those who are hurting, offering His comfort, understanding, and love. It's a beautiful reassurance, a reminder that we are never alone, even in our darkest moments. Furthermore, the verse goes on to say that God saves those who have a contrite spirit. A contrite spirit is a deep sense of remorse and repentance for our wrongdoings. It's when we genuinely acknowledge our faults, seeking forgiveness and a desire to change our ways. This verse assures us that when our spirit is contrite, when we approach God with humility and a genuine desire to turn from our mistakes, He extends His saving grace and forgiveness to us. It's a testament to God's incredible mercy and readiness to heal and restore our brokenness. As we reflect on this verse, it offers us great comfort and hope. It reminds us that no matter how broken or contrite we may feel, God's presence is near, ready to mend our shattered hearts and offer us salvation. So, if you find yourself struggling today, feeling broken and burdened by your mistakes or the pain of life, lean on this verse as a source of encouragement. Remember that God is near to the brokenhearted and will save those with a contrite spirit. Draw near to Him, pour out your heart, seek His presence, and experience His loving restoration and forgiveness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below and let us know where you're watching from. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Sharing is caring, so please share this content with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more inspirational videos coming your way. Take care and may God bless you abundantly. Until next time.